everyone, we are live at the final viewing with landscape lights installed with the lovely Miss Jessica, owner of Florida Coastal Contractors. And here we are, the lovely Demoya job. Got the transformer installed, got some beautiful step lights, all 3 tiers. Wow, love this job. One of my all-time favorites. We're going to walk over to the seating area. Got some beautiful column lights and some seating lights on the seating bench that's got this beautiful view of this God-given ocean. Let me give you guys the last overview of this beautiful job. One of my all-time favorites, for sure. Got the play area for the kids. Of course, they can't turn that on right now. Might have too much fun. Hey guys, great, beautiful job. I'm going to show you guys what it's like for lighting. Lighting is core essential for a great design. So always keep in mind when designing your backyard, outdoor lighting. Always a must. You guys have a blessed evening. We will see you soon on the next design. Have a good night.